In this demo, I will show you how to install the Microsoft Art services in SQL Server 2016. First, you need to be sure that you have access to the Microsoft RTM installer. Let's check that. In this machine, I already have the Microsoft SQL Server 2016 installer ready. Okay, we are going to start the installation. You will see that the installation phase is almost the same as in previous versions. The only difference is that we have different options, and the option that we are going to check is the Microsoft Art services. As you can see, it's the same window that we are used to use to install Microsoft SQL Server. We check here the installation option, and here we have a difference. First, as you can see the typical options that we have during the installations. The first option is to install the Microsoft SQL Server standalone with all the features, the database engine, the analysis services engine, and all the typical features that we are used to. We also have a new option. This option is the last one. This is the new Art Server standalone installation. Let me explain a little bit. The Microsoft support for R inside SQL Server is called Microsoft Art Services. And the Microsoft Art Services are installed as part of the database instance. If we want to install the support for Microsoft Art Services, we must choose the first option. But if we want to install the Microsoft Art Server standalone, what it means standalone? It means that it doesn't need to be installed together with Microsoft SQL Server. The installer is inside the Microsoft SQL Server installer. You will have the option to install the Microsoft Art Server standalone. This option, this last option, will give you the option to install the Microsoft Art Server inside a Windows machine. That this server can be used by data scientists or as a Microsoft Art Server client. Well, in this demo, we will do the installation of the Microsoft Art services. Remember, the Microsoft Art services are integrated with the Microsoft SQL Server database engine. Let me check the first option. Well, we will choose to accept the agreement. We click Next. This operation is optional if you want to check for the latest updates for during the installer, and if you have an internet access in your server, you will be able to check if there's any hotfix that needs to be applied to this installation. Let us run the installation. Okay, it said that we don't have access. Okay, this is okay. We click Continue. Now, the setup is being prepared. We have to wait a little bit for the installer to be ready. We click Next. Okay, here is the new option. As you can see, we have the typical options during the installation, but we have a new one. This option is called Art Services, and it's called Art Services in Database. This gives you the option to install the advanced analytic extensions that integrates the R language using the Transact SQL statements. For example, if we check the Microsoft Art Service, you can see that the database engine services is checked also. You can check all the different options. For example, if you want to install the Microsoft R Server standalone, we can check it. And as you can see, the database engine is not selected. Okay, in this demo, we will install the Microsoft R Services. We check the Microsoft R Service option. We click Next. We will have to wait a little bit for the installer to be ready. The next steps in this demo will include the typical options that you see in a normal installation. For example, if you want to change to a name instance, we are going to use a default instance. We click Next. Everything is going to look very familiar to you. But as you can see, in one moment, we will see a different option. Okay, we add the current user as an administrator. But in the next step, we will see a different window. Okay, we will wait for the current user to be added as an administrator. We click Next. Here, because we are installing the Microsoft R Services, we need to accept the licensing for the Microsoft R Open. And you remember, the Microsoft R Open is based on the R Open version. So we have to accept this licensing. Next, we accept the licensing. The next step will be just to check that everything is okay. This is our summary. And now we are ready to start our installation. Okay, you must check that we will see different options. The feature that we are installing is the database engine and the R services in database support. And also take a look at this service that is called the Launchpad. Okay, we will explain a little bit about this new service when the installation is finished. Do the install, and we wait for the installation to finish. Well, our installation has finished. As we can see, the installation was successfully completed. Now we need to do some checks to be sure that our services are installed properly. Okay, let me close this. First, we need to check the services that are installed during the installation. Okay. Here we can check that the SQL services are running. We can see that the database engine is running. We also must check that the SQL Server Launchpad is running. This is used by the R services. Now, we can check also that some accounts has been created during installation. Let's start up the computer management. Inside the computer management, you must check that a user group was created. This group is called SQL R user group, and inside this user there should be 20 user accounts. These user accounts were created during the installation of the R services. These accounts are used to run the R scripts when the R script is called remotely. And the Launchpad, this service is also used by the Microsoft R service. We can check some properties here. Example, we can check the advanced, and we can check this setting. These settings tell us how many external user accounts are able to to connect to this SQL Server instance to run our code. Okay, in this instance, the default is 20. Okay, everything looks okay, but the Microsoft Art Service are not enabled in this instance. We need to enable this. To do that, we will run a sample script. We will open this Microsoft SQL Server script using the Management Studio. We connect to our instance. And we must consider this. The integration between the Microsoft database engine and the Microsoft Art Services that is able to run the Microsoft, the Art scripts inside SQL Server are external scripts. So we must enable the execution of external scripts in our instance. We click execute. Okay, we reconfigure our instance. The next step is that we need to restart our instance. Okay, we come here to the Microsoft SQL Server Configuration Manager. We will do a restart. Okay, the Launchpad is restarted also automatically, but to be sure, let us restart the service. Okay, we now can come back to our script. Let's check if our external scripts are enabled. Yes, the external scripts are enabled. And now we have a very simple R script that returns hello. We can check here this code, and if we get an answer, and if this R code returns 1, our setup of Microsoft Art Services is correct. Well, in this demo, I show you how to install the Microsoft Art Services, how to check if the Microsoft Art Services were installed correctly, and we run a very simple R script inside our new installation.